our annual.
There's the face.
Smile, Daddy.
Here's the tree place. Here's where we had a walk. Hands on my hips already. There's Dick marking his territory.
We can't see your mark. Okay.
Oh, you'll see the mark.
Rick! Sylvia! We've lost him. We have to wait for a big tree to fall over. Let's go find him. We found them!
Yeah, asshole and his wife.
Wouldn't need a ladder.
Again, it's kind of sparse on this side.
Is it?
Kenny!
North side.
That one looks better than this one. Ready to look up? Right.
Yeah, it's good.
No, it's not fair enough back. This one looks fatter than that one?
Yeah, if you stand here and look at it.
Yeah.
That's mine, just like that.
They got a trunk?
You probably could get to it over here better.
Yeah, right here.
Just look, it's right here.
It's always a big production to cut down Rick's tree.
Is it got a big
You see record on there?
Yeah?
Just shot of Rick trying this chainsaw 15 times. Close. That's what we live for. Get these jaws on this, guys.
Now we know what Rick needs for Christmas.
No, he has a Sears Craftsman. Probably turned it off and forgot.
We'll take a break so we don't waste too much film.
Just wanted everyone to know that on his last tree cutting session, Rick had turned his chainsaw off and forgot to set it. Just want to let everybody know. Before we left, and a wonderful Christmas music. Defend me, dear.
Here. Joshua.
We're involved in about a 12 tree pile up right now.
We've been alive.
Oh, so they'll do that.
That's part of the service. What?
This is Dick and Rick in line to pay for the tree, so we may be here until December the 8th paying for it.
Okay, what we have most of is Douglas Fir where that sign is up there. And just keep going your left until they come back. Where's the left side? Yep, you got about 3,000.
Jim. It's right here, yeah. Where's all that? I just got my money.
The other farm is mostly praise of fir.
I got it, Jim.
They're a little more expensive.
Jen Henry. Megan's with you guys, right?
I saw somebody with a little short dark hair.
Yeah, that's her.
Anybody need help?
No.
Okay. Boyd, I got everybody back here. Yeah. Right. I just, you just get in line to pay for it, and once you get in line, once you pay for it, then.
Excuse me, honey. Boyd.
That's it. All you gotta do is just look through now. It's blurry. I gotta look through it. See how it's one side of it's kind of fuzzy, kind of messed up.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, right. But it still takes a picture. Then just where your finger is, just push that down. That's it, and it automatically warms itself.
Great.
It's a family, it's a single. Yeah, we're just
You didn't pay already.
Nah, Dick's gonna pay, and I'm gonna
You're gonna shake and bake.
for the shake.
Okay.
You won't be in line. You won't be in line. Oh, okay. You gotta pay first.
I want you to try. I had to guard the trees. Can you do? I'll stay with one while you take the other. Sylvia, you want to film him shaking and baking? You can just leave that here. I'll watch it. I'll watch this tree anyway. Where's he going? I don't even know how to operate this thing. Give it.
Right here. They don't do that. Yeah, that's just arrows, general information. Other trees in the cut,
Dixon on the
early
head.
years,
Yeah.
left over. So yeah, anything like that, anything in the field, you cut. Whether it's got a tag on it or not.
All right, thank you.
Sure.
I'll bet at our age, who cares?
Here, you take this, I'll walk it down.
Oh, black one.
There's 3 bones in the bottom of that black bag.
Oh, Joe,
Bring them back.
look behind you.
I'm not carrying it at all.
Hello, baby. Hello, sweetheart. Yes. Hi, guys. Yes.
I got it. Just drop it. I'll take care of it. Okay.
See a little Jack Russell?
No, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Is that right?
Oh, okay.
Location across the street from all
Zoom in on it.
I don't know.
thousands of Douglasburg students from
Zoom up here.
Okay, we have salt. Okay. If you want to get better salt, it's most salt.
I can help you guys. What are you looking for, Joe?
Oh, okay, you just take it out.
Yeah, just push it the other, push it up.
Is it on?
It's recording now. Yep.
All right, let's get Dick and Rick with their bounty. Ooh. Rick's tree is bigger than he. Look at these brave, strong.
Couldn't do this on Middletown Road.
That's goddamn here.
Daggone.
Get a good close up of my hero, okay?
Another year's Christmas tree in Florida.
Have you ever had so much fun in one day, Dick?
And it's not over yet.
It isn't?
No, Dick. Sitting in there freezing.
It's a special Christmas tree rope.
Cut by a Christmas tree nut.
Dick, you better move in a little bit so you don't get
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Trying to get a close-up shot of Casa, the only one in 90-degree weather drinking a hot chocolate. Nothing wrong with this family. And then we'll go over here to her brother who has enough rope to hang his wife. Then we'll go to the right and see the wife's going to be hung.
All the way up there. See him behind the shed up there? On the right side of the shed.
It's a shame they didn't see you.
Because he can direct you.
Nobody goes that way.
Yeah, they do. I've been watching them.
And this is leaving the lot and listening to wonderful Christmas music and looking at the a-hole drive us up the road.
Aha. Uh-huh.